Alright. Come see. Come see. There it is. Hopefully it won't be there for too long. Good opportunity to clean it though. It's a mess in some places. Alright, let's get back. Well, girls, it's going to be an interesting day. Well, it's today. It's Tuesday. Today's the day I start taking apart this mess and getting ready for the installation of the pine over here. I gotta take the ATV over to the Wizard. I'm gonna do that probably around 8. What time is it? Oh, it's 10 to 8. Actually, I gotta do some dishes first and then I'm gonna take it. I'm not sure what time would be good to go over there actually, but anyway, really tired. I woke up at like 3. I want to say 3 a.m. I'm not sure if I slept any between 3 and 4, but 4 I finally decided to get up because it's just pointless lying there. And that never happens to me. I never kind of lie there or wake up like that and just lie awake. So I'm really tired. I didn't go to bed till like 12:30. Anyway, we're going to get on this. I'm still, every time, you know, I was walking around here looking at all the stuff here this morning thinking, where is all this going to go? It doesn't, I know it doesn't look like much, but it's got to go somewhere. Anyway, I got to clean up the table over there so I can start putting stuff on it. Wish I could take a nap. I'm tired. I don't really put anything. So I'm working on it. I've cleared off the countertop. Shit is everywhere. And I've cleared, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, I cleared underneath. There's tons of crap under there as well. So now I'm just going to disassemble the countertop. Not sure where I'm going to put it. Maybe on the deck. Maybe I use those 2 crappy sawhorses and I can actually set it nicely. I've taken out the trap underneath the sink. A bunch of disgusting water came out. I'm not exactly sure how I'm disconnecting this. But, yep, I'm going to do that. And what I'm thinking actually now, I was going to disassemble the whole thing. Oh, I still got to do the cabinets. I was going to disassemble the whole kitchen. But I think what I can do is just assemble this wall. Take this piece out as well. Leave this stuff here for now. And I can just do this wall. The insulation and vapor barrier and pine, and then I can put this back, and then I can take out this part and do that wall. They don't have to be done at the same time. And that'll save me a little bit of grief because I can still use this area for kitchen kind of stuff. Anyway, I gotta unscrew 2x4s here, and I forget how I put this together. I had to it. Screw it somewhere. Oh, I see. I'm hitting here. Ow! Got a real issue with the water pipes lining up underneath the sink here. I'm trying to juggle the whole thing out. Okay, I need somebody to open the door. I need somebody to open the door. If I just let it go, it's gonna fall. Maybe I can do it. Okay. Okay. Come see. Come see. There it is. Hopefully it won't be there for too long. Good opportunity to clean it though. It's a mess in some places. Alright, let's get back. Yuck! Ew! Ooh, that's disgusting. Why did this get so fucking heavy? God damn. I can see my walls. I think that was the first outlet I did. No, I did. No, I did. Never mind. I did two, and then I did this one. I did two, and then this light switch, and then this one. My cans, my beloved cans. Okay. That awkward moment when I go through all the trouble of taking the cupboard down. I forgot to press record. Whew. It was something like this. It's coming out of me. Oh, it's stuck on the pipe here. Oh, I knocked something off the shelf. God damn it. That was a reenactment. Yeah. Almost at the point where I can start putting insulation in here. I don't know much more I have to do other than just get this out of the way. Stop messaging me for a minute here. I can't find my tape measure. I got one broken tape measure. Shut up, Rye. I can't find my tape measure. I got one broken one out there in the yard. Can't find the other one, so this is. I'm not going to film very much of this because I hate doing it. I just want to get it done. And it's not very interesting to watch. And I'll pick it back up when I start doing the vapor barrier. Well, the insulation portion is done. It's weird how insulating an area changes how that area sounds, if that makes sense. Like it's much more quieter. It's much quieter over here. It's weird. Anyway, gonna do the vapor barrier up to that window over there. And then tomorrow I can start on the pine, hopefully get the pine done in this area, and then I can put my kitchen back together. Well, this part of it anyway. Oh, I hate doing insulation. It's everywhere. Ah! So I ran into a bit of a wiring issue. Back when I was first doing the wiring in the kitchen, I was doing it really quick. I ran a wire from this outlet here down across here. And when I got to the corner, I realized I can't go through the wood on the corner with the way I've done my corners. I can't get inside there. So I just left the cable out here. Can you see that? Cable just sitting here. And then went over and I thought, it's not going to be hidden by kitchen cabinets anyway at some point. I can just leave the cable there. But I see now that, you know, when I go to do the wood here, it's just going to be a real pain in the ass, and I really should do this properly. So I'm going to rewire it. Probably going to, yeah, I'll just cut that out there. What I'm going to have to do is take the wiring from this outlet and go up and through the ceiling. And then the outlet I'm going to is like right here. I don't know if you can see it. And that's the right thing to do. And I got to do it now before I finish the vapor barrier. I can still get wire down in behind there. So that's what I'm going to do. What a pain. God, nothing's easy. Hey guys, so it's Thursday. It's 11 o'clock. Got the insulation all done yesterday. And all the vapor barrier up and all the tape on. Today I just wanted to work on putting up the wood. Fortunately, I wasn't feeling well last night. I was up till 4 in the morning not feeling well. So I didn't get up till 10 today, and it's 11 now. And so there's like a good portion of my day gone. And then this. I keep 2 measuring tapes here at the cabin. One I can't find, and the other one is broken. I took it apart to see if I could make it work again, but I'm not sure what it's called. The black part inside that winds it back up is broken. So it's not going to work. I cut it off at 12 feet. This is really going to be annoying. As you can imagine, I'm trying to do all this with this. And then it's damaged here around the 7-foot mark too. I'm not sure what happened there. Could be because I left it outside and ran over it with the ATV several times. I was pissed off. But this is just going to be really painful to do like this. And this damaged part is really... I think my other measuring tape is in the car. In my ratchet strap bag where I left it. I didn't think I'd need my ratchet strap bag in here. But I could end up walking out to the car and it might not be there. And then, of course, I'd have to go to town. For a measuring tape. God damn it. I got some intricate cuts to make today. Oh, I'm walking to my car, aren't I? Damn it. So, this day is just shot. Yeah, heading to the car to see if the measuring tape is there. If it's not there, we're driving into town. And I still feel like a bag of dicks. But I know two little girls who are really happy with these developments. Whoa, there he goes. Go, little Chippy. Oh man, Junebug was all over him. He still managed to escape. Oh, there he is. There he is. Look at the little guy go up. Go up, go up. What are you doing? Look, go up. Why are you still in there? He's still in there in the middle. There he is. Go up. Up. Oh. Jeez. Little guy, you crazy? Keep going up. You get a... Junebug's actually whining with excitement. All right, let's go, let's go. You're lucky today, Chippy. Just gorgeous right now. Not a single bug. Hot. It's getting hot. Whew. The moment of truth. Right. Ah, I knew it. Oh, Milwaukee. Okay. God, you guys make a lot of noise. That dumb dog. You got crap all over your face. You got dirt on your tongue. Nice. When I was bringing in supplies, building materials for building the cabin, about a month doing it, this whole area was under about a foot of water. But I kept coming through here. Things would get wet, but you know, it's just building materials. It was before this tree fell down. This year it's dry. Amazingly. That stump is a bitch. And these roots. Yep. People have gotten stuck here on these roots. I am just zonked. I'm right out of it. The shitty night I had last night. Not enough sleep. I know this. I am just falling off my feet. I should have brought some water. But it's not the water problem. I was going to get so much done today. Some people know how to cool off. Some people? Are you people? Yeah, there you go. Nice and cool. That's the way to do it. Drink that brown water. Don't do that here. Don't do it here. Okay. Another chipmunk got away. This one just went straight up the tree. I think that last one is like the only chipmunk in the world that's afraid of heights or something. Still very exciting though, isn't it? Some of the trees are starting to turn. So that's it. It's like 2:30, and now I'm done. Yeah. So zero progress since the last video. Hey, it's Friday morning now. I lost a day. Thursday was just terrible. I couldn't even set up my computer yesterday very much. I did a little bit. I was lying on the couch, which is crazy. That's how zonked it was. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this video right here and start my next one because I'm off on another adventure. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully the next video, this will all be done and the kitchen will be back in place. I'm not sure though, because my neighbors are coming up this weekend to work on the bridge. I was really hoping to get this all finished before then, and I should have, but anyway. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.